Hi guys, thanks for switching to my channel. Today I would like to show you my self-made RV. In 2009 I bought just the blank wheelbase, put an empty cab on it and started building the motorhome. Installed a kitchen, washroom, dining area, storage room, and of course heating, sanitary installation, electric power and so on. In 2011, we made the first road trip through Switzerland. We start at the front with the driving cab. Then we have a look at the storage and technical room in the back. And finally, we are doing a room tour through the cab. The wheelbase is a German make MAN 19.403 Silent, built in Germany in 1998. 19 stays for the gross weight of 19 tons. Actually, it has around 13 tons if all the tanks are full. 403 stays for 400 horsepower out of a 12-liter turbocharged intercooling 6-cylinder diesel engine with a max torque of almost 1800 Newton meter, and the 3 stays for the third model generation of the old so-called F2000 model. This is the last generation of MAN trucks with the classical look and feel. Silent, because the engine is capsuled with noise reduction material, which makes it very enjoyable to drive. This is a fully air-suspended driver's seat with several switches for individual comfort settings. The wheelbase is fully air-suspended and has a cool feature. The front and the rear axle can be moved up and down individually. This is very useful when staying on an uneven place for night. Then you can just move the chassis into a completely even position. Let's have a look at the inside of the driving cab now. It has a very simplistic look and feel, no comparison to American trucks with its overloaded bling-bling dashboards. All necessary displays are available. The 16-speed manual gearbox with a double-H shifting scheme is really the incarnation of old school trucking and makes a lot of fun. On the bench there is space for 3 people, and above there is a bed available. Now let's slowly move to the back. This is the wastewater tank with a capacity of 760 liters. It can be emptied with sliders on the bottom. Just drive over a wastewater sink and it will be emptied within a few minutes. Here in the storage box I put the charcoal grill and a small power generator. In the storage room there is space for 5 bikes. They can be tied down with the straps here. On the left we have the water pump. The water can also be filtered if necessary with the 2 filters over there. This is the battery-to-battery charger, which loads the main battery when the engine is running. Beside we have the solar charger. 4 panels with a total capacity of nearly 800 watt peak deliver power while the sun is shining. This is a DC-DC converter from 24 volts to 12 volts, especially for the crusher toilet. The grey box here is the 5 kilowatt inverter. It delivers 220 volt AC power out of the 640 ampere hours 24 volt DC lead acid traction battery. Here is the 40-liter hot water boiler, which is powered by a 5 kilowatt diesel water heater. The fresh water tank holds 900 liters of fresh water. We use it for cooking, washing and drinking. This makes the whole RV self-sufficient for at least a full week with 5 persons on board. Let's slowly move towards the entrance now. Here on the right hand side we have another storage box with chairs and a table and a marquee which can be mounted on the securing rail here on the side. The diesel tank has a capacity of 760 liters. With an average consumption of 24 liters per 100 kilometers, the motorhome has a range of almost 3,000 kilometers. Here we have the battery monitor and the display of the water level in the fresh water tank. Heating is switched on and off with this little box here. On the right hand side is the kitchen with a 2-plate induction system running with 220 volt and the kitchen sink with a wonderful water tap. In the drawers below all the stuff is stored like in a normal kitchen at home, and above in the cupboard we store either plates and glasses and different kitchen supply. This is a commercial 220 liter fridge with a small freezer compartment running also on 220 volt. Opening and closing is done with a hook and loop fastener. The kids are sleeping in comfortable 90 cm wide beds. Each sleeping place has its own window with a mosquito net and a shade blind. By the way, all the windows are wooden framed handcrafted top hung windows with real insulation glass. In the bathroom we have a shower cup 80 centimeters wide, a ceramic toilet with an electric crusher and a small sink. The dining area is large enough for comfortably seating 5 people, and below the bench there is plenty of storage. Watch out the floor, it's made of real wood flooring. For the parents we have a comfort mattress 160 centimeters wide and 2 meters long and a huge 40-inch 4K flat screen. Last but not least, we have a large wardrobe with an electric oven in the middle and below some space for pull-out boxes. So, this is it. I very much hope that you like this video. Thanks for watching and maybe you visit my channel again in the future. Take care. Bye bye.